Hello and welcome. For today's tutorial we are going to see how to generate 731 MH 731, that is for facility. We shall see what it entails and what data it captures on the EMR. Okay, thank you, and let us follow step by step. I'll go very slow so that everybody can get a clinch on what is needed to be done. Thank you. So from here we go to home, then we have a tool called reports. This is a module called reports, so you click there, so it will load. Then under the common reports here, then you navigate, we have MOH 731. So the EMR version I'm using EMR version 18.60. This is the latest. So now we go, after loading here, you'll see comprehensive HIV/AIDS facility reporting form. So this is for NASCOP, and the name report is 731. Now we go to request report. Now we want to select the period. You must select the period. Maybe you want to select in 1 month or 2 months or quarterly. So for now I'm using June. I will select June 1st to June 31st. June 30th, not 31st. Now I will request my report. It just takes a while depending on the data that is available. Some take more than 2 minutes, some take less than that. So my report is ready. You'll see here the latest report, it is always on top. For me, for this tutorial, let us use Excel. I'm using Excel because it retains the format of the report. Now I'll click here to download, then I save it into my computer. Then it is ready, so I'll open it. Okay, it takes a while to open depending on the speed of your computer. Now here is the report. You'll see that it has the name of the facility, the MFL code is there, then it captures details for HTS counseling, the enrolled into care. We have starting on ART, we have the pre-ART, current on ART, retention on ART. So we shall have a look on each section one by one and see how it is linked to this. For example, when you are using the testing part, this is the part, this one. This report can be found on HTS register. I think it will cover from here, this one, and also this section. This is from MH 362, that is the testing register. Now for this one, this part also can be found on HTS. These are the newly enrolled into care. Then we have those starting on ART. Some will be found on MOH 362. Some may have been tested elsewhere and just came for ART initiation in your facility. so they'll be found here. Next we go to, this is for PMTCT. Those are expectant mothers who are living with the HIV. So the report is here. So if you are working on the PMTCT section, this is the report. Now I come now to those on care, those starting TPT, they are here. Then for those in TB, those screen for TB here. Then we have VMMC. This section covers VMMC. Then for those we have PEP is here. If you can remember, there's somewhere in our on the EMR where these people, if somebody comes for testing and they're at risk and they need PrEP, there's somewhere we record. So this is the numbers, and this part is for those who take drugs. Okay, maybe that is just a summary, but if you need more assistance, we can talk about the report in fully, so that we can break it down and see what each section carries. So this report, it is submitted monthly to MOH. So this one, if you are fully on EMR and you are confident with your numbers, this one is just downloading. Then you can also print this. You can print, that is just, you can just highlight. I'll show you how to highlight. Maybe if I can assist how to, you can just highlight this section, the whole of it, this one, this section. Then you come to page layout. I've not enabled this one, so you must enable editing before you make any changes. Okay, now let us highlight from here to this, from this point up to that point. Make sure that you have highlighted all sections. Yes. Now you come to page layout. Now orientation, it depends on how you want your paper to appear, but let us first mark this as print area. We want the selected part to be printed. Now our page is portrait. Let us see how it will appear. So to check how it will appear, you just go to File, then you come to Print. Oh, this is how it will appear. So there is an error. So we come to orientation. We want to see the landscape. But you can make the width to be 1 page. want the width to be 1 page, and let us retain, okay, width to be 1 page. Now let us go to print. Then you want to see the print preview. It takes 3 pages. But we want to configure it so that it appears on 1 page, 1 page. So you come and print the print preview. Now this is how it will appear when you print on 1 page. You see what I've done. I came to orientation, landscape, then you come to the width, put it 1 page, the height 1 page, so it will be able to pick. And make sure that you have highlighted the page that the content that you want to be printed, so that you don't leave out any page that should be printed. Then you mark them as set print area. Okay, let's go back. Now that was the MOH 731 that we submit monthly from each facility. So that is the end of our tutorials. For now, let's meet next time so that we can have a look at another report or another tutorial for the MOH for Kenyaemr. Please subscribe and like the video, and if you have any comment, please do so on our website or at the YouTube comment. We shall respond on it. Thank you very much.